I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Decor, we back. Yeah, I said we back with another banger. Yeah, today is actually Saturday, July 17th. And we finna get outside. Y'all see the hair already done. I might throw in little clips from my TikTok of me getting it done, but yeah, we finna get straight to the video. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, been a while. And ain't nobody hit it since you hit it. You always know what to do with it. Let me get started. I'll be back. Y'all, it's 10:51 in the morning. I just woke up. I'm finna wash my face, brush my teeth. My little cousin Bernia's on her way to town. She actually should be pulling up any minute now. Like, she came down here to spend the weekend with me. She missed my party back home in Des Moines for my 30th birthday. So she's like, she lives in Houston, I live in Austin. So she's like, cuz I'm gonna come down, you know, at the end of July, and we're gonna do a Core Takes 30 part 2. I'm just gonna find some activities for us to do. She's paying for it. We're going out tonight. So we finna vibe. So I'm gonna take y'all on with me. You'll probably get a different POV from her because my cousin's also a YouTuber. When I do get with her, I'm gonna let y'all know her YouTube name. So again, she should be pulling up any minute. I just been doing some extra little cleaning to the house, you know, just mopped, folded my laundry, and yeah, we ready. Yeah, see, I hung up my pictures from my prom party. I love it. I want to add some more pictures up there, but yeah, I never actually showed you my house. I want to do a whole house tour, so this is just for now. Won't do. But yeah, let me wash my face, brush my teeth before she gets to knocking on the door real quick. I'll be back. Y'all, my cousin's here. Hey, vlog. Look how she's coming. Period. Get your cousin like mine. And we're gonna get outside.
Yes, real quick.
Look at my cousin. Porsche on the body. Don't play with her. Yes. Y'all, my cousin's getting me together. Like, now she came in town and doing the makeup. Spoiled. Y'all remember when she did my makeup in Houston, in the East? Be back. Yeah, so my cousin is done with my makeup. Well, not all the way. She just started hers. She got to put my individual lashes on and finish my lip. But while she's doing her makeup, I'm gonna run a couple of errands. I need to go to Walmart and get my press-ons. Y'all know I don't play about the press-ons. And I need to drop this Amazon package off at UPS that I'm sending back. And I need to grab a couple extra things from Walmart. So yeah, come on. Before we get outside, it's a hot, nice day. Damn, I don't like the door. Ooh, the seat is finna burn my leg. Oh, I should have left the windows down. Oh, let me have to turn the car on. Oh, these windows can't breathe. Okay. Ooh, y'all, I'm trying not to stick my legs all the way down, but okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to the UPS first and then go to Walmart. But yeah, I just need to put my presses on and grab a couple things. But did she eat with the pink? Like, y'all see the outfit with the pink? She ate. And my cousin don't even like doing makeup, but she's great at makeup and hair. Like, I can't even say book her because you can't. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. Ugh, excuse me. Been started drinking Patron, so I'm burping it. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. I don't care what no bitch say. I say made it. though. Y'all, the one is good that I had, I forgot to even show y'all. Round one. Finna go round two right now. I'm sweating like, okay, one. Feeling my buzz.
It can be, but like I said, but the difference is
Get
like
some good photo ops. The photos is finna eat down. I'll try to post some in the video, but I got a little, looks like a blood clot, but yeah, I'm gonna post some fat photos because my cousin ate them down. And we're gonna take some more outside thing. Yeah, this just keep on sliding off. I'm gonna do some pics without it too though. But yeah, so we'll probably be here for maybe another 45 minutes. And then we're heading to San Antonio, an hour and a half away to do the river walk. So I'm going to tap into the time there. We're going to go to a little vineyard, take some pictures too. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Yeah, y'all know it's hot when you gotta put that hair up. Sorry. We're gonna go finish our photo shoot in the vineyard. And head to San Antonio. Got our picture, we were finishing our wine so we can take it back inside.
Yes. It's hot as fuck.
It is.
I got money, I got bitches and shit. Bitch, I was getting caught with this and go better. No season this.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I be forgetting to tap in with y'all. We done stopped at McDonald's. I'm almost done with my food, my fish fillet. Like, yeah. Cousin forgot to vlog and her stuff too.
Yeah, girl, you vlog better than me, shit. Fuck the people.
That's how I be feeling. Then I be like, damn, I don't got no clips to post.
Next destination, shit.
We're finna head to San Antonio when we get done with our food. To do the river walk. Boat experience. So yeah, I'll tap in with y'all when I get there. Y'all might see me dancing to some music, but
hello.
See y'all later.
With pain, I was selling rocks with big dumb Birdman and KK. Then I fell in love with that.
Yo, we done made it to San Antonio.
Quickly.
Yeah, you was on the dash. You was playing that Chief Keef, all them dirt, doing the dash with it. So we need to make our way over to find that area. San Antonio River Walk. It actually looks nice here, that little skywalk. Go ahead, cuz. Go ahead. You want me to leave? You got the GPS. Go ahead. I'll get in front of you after a little bit too. Eyelashes gonna fly off these individuals. Right? Y'all, we think we here. It ain't us yet, cuz, but oh yeah, okay. Yes, sir. You ain't calling it either, so what's next? Oh, look at them. Oh, they're cute. We gotta figure out how to get on the boat. But that's the boat we're getting on, y'all.
Restrooms is up the stairs.
Oh, is that what it said? Yeah, it is pointing. So let's go to the bathroom before we find the area. Because I gotta pee again too, so upstairs. So we just got them tickets. $16, not bad. And the boat will be here in 8 minutes, so yeah, vibe with us. And they getting on. Our turn. Thank you. Right, I hope it is a breeze.
Get boarded?
Yes.
Well, y'all are boarding me, I should say. Come on down, folks. Watch your step, everybody. Welcome aboard, ladies. Welcome aboard. Watch your step, folks. Watch your step. Watch your step, little ones. Watch your step.
Like
Thirsty.
yeah, I'm feeling a little sick just getting on here because that motion and that water. I be having motion sickness. You know to make up tea when it's eating with the no flash. Like, come on.
Let me ask you, what's the difference between the girls and they all do the same room?
3 foot. So we had to get her a little life jacket. No, we didn't. I just put the rope out there, grabbed her hand, and pulled her in. A very light little timid little thing. See the Esquire Tavern. That is the oldest bar we have on the river. It opened up back in 1930, the day after Prohibition ended. You can purchase tickets to see everything from orchestras, symphonies, musicians, all the way down to magicians and comedians. Speaking of comedians, Ali Sadiq, he has come because when they became this dine establishment they are today, they were the first to put tables out here, giving you the opportunity of dining riverside. And then they were also the first to put you, your friends, and your loved ones onto a boat, giving you the opportunity of dining on the river. Now, if you look behind me to my left-hand side, right over here on street level, you're gonna see that red structure up there. That is called the Torch of Friendship. That Torch of Friendship was given to us in 2002 by the nation of Mexico. Rio. Maybe it's over, or maybe they're in between sets. But with that being said, y'all go ahead and enjoy the music a little bit. Maybe the show will come on.
Get a little aesthetic going with our
Back on the bikes after the boat. Y'all like these little bikes. It's Riverwalk. Yeah. Auntie done tad. We can't make it outside.
outside, please.
We had the day vibes though. Look, now it's on. See? We had a time. Yeah, it's time to change. Go lay down, get a bite. Call it a night. Dang, I'm low-key rhyming.
Huh?
I said I'm low-key rhyming with everything I just said. But yeah, we're leaving San Antonio, heading back to Austin, and I'll tap in with y'all when we're back there.
Yes. Today has been very eventful. I just want to see a shower.
That part.
That's it, just a
Lay
shower.
down. Alright, see y'all later. Yeah, so we done made it back at 11:45. Yes, yes, yes. Get into it. Now it's time for the makeup to come off. It's very cutesy. Okay, I'm fresh out the shower. Yes, I have all these on because I don't got time. Okay. And I'm gonna sleep in this, but I need to take it off to let my hair edges dry after that shower. So I'll put it on when I get done eating or before I fall asleep. You know, when you get out the shower, this be a little moist. The girls, they get it. The ones who don't. But yeah, I'm hungry. Gonna make me some noodles. And watch some Streamer University. Yeah, my nail done fell off already. Y'all know they press on. But yeah, I'm gonna make some noodles. Watch Streamer University. Chill. It's 12:46 in the morning now. Yeah. If I don't come back, I'll see y'all later, but I might come back. But again, might just start in the morning. Who knows? Take the highlights of Good morning, guys. About to start brushing our teeth and get ready for the day. It's Sunday, July 18th, and me and my cousin is going to brunch. It's 10:20 a.m., so we'll see what time we leave out the house. I need to put 3 of my press-ons back on because they fell off already, but yeah, let me brush my teeth and wash my stuff. Good morning. Like my skin keeps saying, good morning. No, I'm kidding. Let me brush my teeth. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm a clumsy ass B-word, but that's nothing new. Yeah, so let's get to putting clothes on. My cousin can put my eyelashes and stuff back on. I know she's in the room up because she probably been up for a couple hours because she's an early bird. She's probably been waiting on me to get up. I'm a late sleeper, but I got up early for her because I woke up at 10. On weekends, I usually don't wake up till about 12, 1. I like to sleep in when I'm off. But I know she's up because I just seen her sneak dissing me on Facebook, making a status about me not sleeping. But I'm up. I'm getting ready. Them ears is hurting. Oh, them ears is hurting. Them ears hurting. Them ears is hurting. But the hair's still laid. The hair's still laid. Come on now. Ears gotta hurt so the hair can continue to look like this, babe. Come on, babe. This is organic. You be not organic. Shout out to Pressure. But look at my ear, y'all. They ate up from having that on like that. But guys, this is what it takes to be a girl. We be having headaches, ears be hurting, circulating from how we have to put on our band. Like, come on, like, we can't just, well, nah, we wake up like this. We wake up like this, yeah. Yeah, I'm hungry. I hope my cousin hungry because she be eating one today. And she big, like, that's what the thick one's doing. I'm thick too, but I'm small thick to y'all. And I be eating 3 times. Like, we at that McDonald's. Honestly, y'all, that was our only meal yesterday because we didn't got out late and we went straight to the winery and then got some food because we was getting dressed when she got here up until it was time to go. Headed straight there. Then we only ate the McDonald's at like 7 before we hit the road to San Antonio. Then we got back. I'm like, what you trying to eat? She's like, I'm not really hungry. Okay, well, let me just make some noodles in my house because I gotta eat something. Gotta eat, so I hope she got an appetite now because I'm hungry again. I ate the noodles at like, I don't know, y'all know what time it was. I told y'all I didn't snack with y'all a little bit, I think. Yeah, so I only ate the McDonald's and noodles yesterday. Didn't eat no breakfast. The noodles was at wee hours. Woke up starving, like Marvin. I'm gonna straight take these off tonight. Y'all know I gotta go back to work with my 2-year-olds tomorrow. So as soon as I put on a little kid's shoe, it's gonna come off. My kids take their shoes off all day. I had to put on one kid's shoe 5 times a day. Damn near each kid. So I don't play the nail stuff when I'm at work. That's why I really be pressed on, because I could just pick them right off. Yeah, we are done. Okay. Back home. Let's go. Brighten up the living room. Pick up my little cover, start some music on, and go see what my cousin's doing. Like, come up. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Sunshine, I'm up. I'm ready. Hello. I'm like, is she up? Because I know, I seen the statuses. I just told you to. I said I'm being attacked by all 3 of them. The other 2 just had to say something.
It's just not how you sleep every day. Like,
well, I just started getting in my bed now, I told you. But
girl, please. me.
But I just started adding that at first.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I just started adding that at first. I would just be on here.
You too tall for that. Girl.
Yeah, so then, but I'd be cool. Back not hurting nothing.
Girl, my back was hurt looking at you.
Y'all know I'm a couch sleeper. My cousin said, oh no.
Need her bed back.
No, I just started sleeping and I told you that when my daughter was like, why you don't never sleep in your bed? And I'm like, okay, let me start sleeping in my bed because I don't. But yeah, y'all, we're up. We're about to start getting ready. Y'all just see me brush my teeth and wash my face. So let's get to getting ready so we can head out to brunch and start our day.
So I can't try to post these damn pictures.
Oh yeah. Okay, y'all. So we did end up switching the location of brunch because we low-key wanted to eat something decent. So we came to the Oasis. There's my cousin. Yeah, she was up before me, I told y'all, but y'all seen me go in the room, but she was already up. It's low-key packed. We've made it to the Oasis restaurant at Lake Travis.
Oh, this Lake Travis.
Yeah, we're gonna try to eat outside by the lake and get some good content and pics in. Yeah, I know we don't play about our content. Oh, they got a little gift shop. That's us still. Hello. Two.
She has like sit inside or outside?
Outside. Well, you want in here? I was talking about out here, because that's what we said last time. Let me see the vibes. Is there a table down there? You like this spot, cousin?
I feel like this is cool.
Yeah, it is cool. See. Okay, our food hub came. What you get, cousin?
I got the shrimp taco.
Period. And I got the beef fajitas with steak on the side. You know, the little works. Yeah, I didn't already start eating it, but they are gone. And it's a little bland, but it's juicy, I'll see. Steak just need a little bit more seasoning to it, that's all. Oh, yours hitting. The shrimp is actually good.
Yeah, the shrimp is good.
I give it a 6 out of 10, y'all. But it's a cool variety. It's for the scenery. You know.
My cousin rated her good 6 out of 10. I'm full. If I needed to give myself a rating or give mine a rating, I would give it maybe like a 7 for sure. Ain't nothing wrong with the rice. The shrimp is very...
Yeah, my cousin full already.
The shrimp is very good.
She's recording for her vlog.
But yeah.
I'll be back when we're done eating, y'all. We just finished eating. We was talking, vibing.
So hot. It's so hot.
It is. Now we gotta get our pics in. It's so beautiful out, but it's so hot. It's too hot. You barely see. Glass in the middle. Look at my picture right here. Because I'm gonna get it. The view.
It's out here. I like to look dark, whatever. This one is.
No, we just got my pictures, but right after we got my pictures, look. Spilt. Spilt. Spilled it all over my pants. I'm irritated. Like, I can't be clean to save my life. Now it's hot. We ready to go. I'm finna head back to my house. And my cousin's finna hit the road. But she'll be back because there's more stuff we need to do here.
Oh,
Can I get a picture right here with
yes.
Well, I got a stain, but I'm gonna have to keep them closed. So yeah, we had a time. I'm so full, ready to lay down.
Literally.
Yeah,
hot.
my cousin, we had a vibe. I'm gonna miss her. Yeah, y'all gonna see her on the vlog. Y'all already met her on the vlog for her graduation.
Oh yes, that was me.
Yeah, she's the college grad. She the graduate. So y'all see her at the end of this month when I go down to Houston to get my hair done. We're gonna vibe in her city next.
Yes, and we're gonna have a ball.
That
After
probably-
hours,
yeah.
club, bus, another club. After
Outside.
hours, outside.
That'll probably be my next vlog. I'll probably drop this one this week, and then I probably won't drop another one till then.
Oh, that's perfect then. You know, get the viewers a little.
So that'll be 2 weeks. So
Mhm.
yeah, see you later, cousin. Till next
Bye.
time. And
subscribe, like to my cousin.
Cousin, tell them your YouTube name again.
Exclusive Bree.
And it's gonna be on the screen right here.
Yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe
Hit
immediately.
that bell notification and stay locked in.
Yes.
She be traveling. My cousin really be doing her shit with the traveling. She be out the country with it. So y'all get the out the country vibes. Y'all get the makeup tutorial, the daily lifestyle. Y'all want to go play some golf with her? She's doing it all. So tap into the Vloggy Vlog. And she also on TikTok with it, ain't she? Or Instagram?
Yes, TikTok, Instagram, same handle, exclusive Bree. Make sure you follow me.
And it'll be right here. So y'all, I'm in and out the Vloggy Vlog. Bye for now.
Bye.
I'm not going anywhere, so I